Hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make class libraries of various languages. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, I'm going to make a file called class libraries here. I'm going to cd inside the class libraries. I'm going to use a console here. I don't have Visual Studio with me. I'm on Linux, Manjaro, so we'll have to use the .NET Core CLI. Okay, so to make, as you see, I already have an autocomplete kind of a thing here. But let's say you want to make a VBA library. So the normal way to initiate a new class library is just to make .NET new class library. Okay. Yeah, so .NET new class library is supposed to make all these class libraries. Unfortunately, it makes this folder the class library folder. Okay, and it's obviously using C# over here because this is a CS project right here. So I'm going to remove everything here. Yes, I want to remove. Okay, so how do I make it use a specific folder? Okay, okay, first thing first. Okay, we'll set the other languages first. Okay, how do you set the languages to be something like F# or VBA? Okay, so the way to do it is to set the language, and then if you want a VBA, you press .NET new class library language VB. Okay, and as you can see, instead of VBA, you use you see that it's a class1.vb project, and you can see this is obviously VBA. Okay, so I'm going to remove star. Okay, I'm going to remove everything. So how do I make these class libraries appear in a new folder that is not this folder right here? Okay, so the way to do it is to set output. Okay, set the output to let's say VB class library. So what this will do, not only will it make a new Visual Basic class library, it will put it into a new folder right here. Okay, so now your VB class library is in a new folder. Okay, so let's go to VB class library, and if you take a look in the VB class object, or I can do cat VB class object. Okay, you see that it will be a VB class library, which is fine, and it's targeting .NET 6.0. Now I do not necessarily want it to target .NET 6.0 because that will only apply to .NET Core. Okay, any older versions of .NET like .NET Core 5.0, .NET Core 3.1, or .NET Framework, okay, the library will not work. So from the get-go, I actually want to make it target .NET Standard. Okay, so let's remove the VB class library. I'm going to try to make it target .NET Standard this time. Okay, so the way to make it target .NET Standard is using the framework keyword. Okay, use the framework keyword, framework keyword, and just type net standard 2.0. Okay, net standard 2.0. Okay, and then it will make the VB class library with if you look at the VB project, it will target net standard 2.0, which will make it compatible, supposedly, at least. This is a very important compatibility step for not just cross-platform, but between .NET, different versions of .NET and etc. Okay, .NET Core, .NET Framework. Okay, so okay, so let's say you want to make an F# library. I can do the same thing. So I'll change the thing from language VB to F#. Okay, so you cannot use the FS down here. Okay, you have to use quotation marks and put F# right here. Okay, that will make a new oopsie. It will make a new F# library. Okay, if you look at the VB library, I kind of messed up my file because I have both a F# project and VB project. I don't want that. I'm going to remove the VB class library. I'm going to remake that VB class library in VB, of course, Visual Basic. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same with F#. So the new class library will, well, you have to do F# in quotation marks. F# in quotation marks. Output will be fsclasslib. Framework will be .NET Standard 2.0. Okay, and you take a look at .NET Standard 2.0. You see that all of these are in F# language. So if you cat library fs, okay, you have a simple hello world kind of a code. There's a template down there, and look at the fsclasslib fs project. You see that it's what do you call that, .NET Standard 2.0. okay, and that's it, F#. Okay, so that's all I have, is how to make class libraries for Visual Basic and F# using the CLI. Okay, see you.